tomato egg omelette, one of the tastiest of the cucumber recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the cucumber egg recipes. We're going to make cucumber tomato egg omelette. We've taken 2 eggs. We've taken around 75 to 100 grams of cucumber, around 100 grams of tomato cut into pieces, 1 spoon of chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, 15 shallots cut into small pieces, and salt to taste. Now break in the egg. Put in the shallots and the chili powder and the cucumber and the tomato pieces into the egg mixture. Mix, thoroughly mix, and let the mixture froth. Thoroughly mix the mixture. Some curry leaves. Mix. And pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Let the oil in the pan. Pour in the egg mixture. Into the pan. Close and let it cook for 5 minutes. Open. Now the cucumber tomato egg omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final cucumber tomato egg omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious omelette recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cucumber recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.